Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will be talking about Nova Sensi Trim Touch, which is a trimmer for women. In this video, I will be reviewing it and telling you how to use it. So without wasting any time, let's start with it. So it comes in a box like this. I have purchased it from Flipkart for about rupees 900, but its price is quite fluctuating. I mean, for now it is around 1200. So you can try your luck if you can get it on discounted rates or not. So let me just take it out for you. This is the device, as you can see it. So it comes with two heads. One is the broader one. It can be used for the body parts like your arms, underarms or legs, and it has another head. So this is another part, which is a thinner part, which can be used for the detailed areas like your upper lips, eyebrows, facial hair or chin area. But normally I use it for upper lips and eyebrows. I can't take risk with my facial hair and chin area. So it has a cap to cover it, and you can see there are two sides again. One is the longer blade and one is the shorter blade. So I would suggest you, if you are a beginner, try starting with the shorter blade, and when you can get your hands set on it, you can use the longer one. Now let's see how to start it. On this pink band, there are like three markings: an arrow, 0 and 1. There is one arrow on this part as well. You need to bring them together to open it. So it can easily be opened. And for that you need a pencil cell, which already comes in the box. So this bulging part of the cell will go inside the device, and again you have to bring both the arrows together to close it, but again you need to rotate it towards 0 to lock it so that it doesn't get open. So now it is completely locked, and if you want to start it, you need to rotate it towards 1. As you can see, it has started making noise. So this device is started. And now if you want to change the heads of the device, again we need to follow the same steps. There are marking of an arrow and 1. So we need to bring these two arrows together to open it. Okay, and I will be changing it with a thinner part. So there is an arrow on this part as well. We need to bring them together. So in this way, since these two arrows are together now, I'm just rotating it towards 1 so that I can lock it. So now again it's completely fixed. So now let me just give you a small demo. I'll be starting with my upper lips, and for that I have taken the thinner part, thinner head. So I will be removing its cap, and for now I have got my hands set on this trimmer, so I can use both the parts according to my hair growth. So for now I don't have much hair on my upper lips, so I will be using the smaller part. So now let's start with it. Okay, and also make sure you move the trimmer in the direction opposite to your hair growth. So let me start. I will be using my tongue on the area that I want to trim. So let's do the eyebrows as well. Be very careful with the brow area. Don't try to shape it if you are a beginner. I would suggest you just clean it, otherwise it can be a disaster. There's this part for this thing. We need to attach it like this. This is for the areas where you don't want to cut your hair very short, or you want a certain growth to be there in that area. One more thing for this part. This is actually to trim the eyebrows, which I haven't used it yet. I think it's for the professionals who are expert in this, like using trimmers and all this. So I won't be talking about this thing much. This trimmer comes with a small brush as well to clean it. Just use it like this so that we can take out the hair stuck in the blade. Also brush out the hair from the body as well. It is also important. If you want to use it again, don't forget to wash it thoroughly. All the tips, procedures and details about the washing procedure have been given in the manual. So in this way we can use this trimmer, and let me tell you one thing, it doesn't take out the hair out of their roots. It just cuts them to a certain length. So personally I'm not a big fan of trimmers and razors. Also it doesn't give you a shiny appearance or a smooth appearance, so it's better not to use it on a regular basis. So overall review of this trimmer will be like, it's good, it worked quite well, but it should be used in the case of emergencies only. I won't prefer it to use it on a regular basis. So that's it for today's video. I hope you liked it, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And if you have any query, any doubt, you can ask me in the comments below. I will definitely answer your all the queries and try to solve it as soon as possible. So thank you. We'll meet you in the next video. Bye.